Hey, it's Kiera from My Digi Affiliate once again. So today we're gonna continue on uh with our case study here with My Lead Gen Secrets and Clickbank. See if we can make money on Clickbank with just My Lead Gen Secrets, only one account. Um, I stated multiple times you probably want more than one account so you can get more leads and get sales more consistently. But we'll get to what we need to do today. So let's start. All right, so you log back into your My Lead Gen account. That's our last email. Did not get that many clicks. Sometimes it be like that. Only 85 clicks on. Let's see if we got sales here. Okay, we didn't get a sale, but let's see what our hops are for yesterday. Just for yesterday here. We got 181 hops. Yeah, we got 181 hops. So overall, over the course of, the last email I sent plus this one, the last two emails I sent, I meant the last email I sent, right? Add that to what we got with the previous email we sent, and that adds up to 181 for yesterday. Today is a new day, so probably we got 11 clicks for today as well. So, I'm constantly getting traffic, as you can see here. I'm constantly getting traffic. They are cold traffic, but I'm constantly getting traffic here. But the proof is here that you don't need a website, you don't need a domain name, you don't need to create a page, a funnel, anything like that. All you have to do is email, right? So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna continue on with that sequence here. Now, at first let me know why you want more than one. Let's talk about how much it costs to have 5 accounts here. Okay, so 5 accounts. So if you want 5, that's the recommended number of accounts you should have in order to get very consistent sales. We only using one right now, so I'm trying to stick to that rule. But if you want 5 accounts, this is how much it costs to start a 5 account. So at 5 accounts, you start $60 each account, so it's $300 already. Okay, so it's $300 to open it, and that's $150, right, every month. So if you make over $150 every month, you're already paying for it. But if your days change as well, it'll be only $130 because you'll be paying when you'll be receiving $20 based on being an affiliate to yourself. So that's $130 every month for 5 accounts. With that 5 accounts, you automatically get 900 leads every day. 900 every day. That is so much. It's a numbers game as well. So the more leads you have, the more chance you get these sales, so on and so forth. You understand? And it's just a amazing opportunity here. And I just want to show this here because to people, because it works. It just works, and you don't need much. I think this is a good start to making money online for most people. But yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and go back to what we were already doing here. Our last email didn't perform so well, so we're gonna try a different approach. We're gonna hope for a better approach on the third one here. We're gonna use the same source as well because it's proven to get a sale, so let's just stick with it. It's a good case to do here. So email swipes here. Let's go to email 3 here. Okay, 280 per day posting YouTube comments. We're not gonna change it any. We're just gonna leave it as it is. But you can if you want to with what I spoke about in my last in the last video before this one. And if you want to. So for here, right, we're just gonna copy. As you can see. Oh, let me sort this by gravity also. I want to make sure I say this as well. We're gonna use this one offer right here. This is probably the best offer. It's at the top of the list for a reason. And let's talk about the ones that should work here. Sorry about my Discord. I just realized it was open. Sorry about that. let's see here. So let's go with we're gonna go with the top one, but I want to talk about the ones up here so far. As far as I know, understand them. This one works really well. Gotten sales on camera. Gotten a sale on camera with that one. I'm happy about that. We got proof automatically already that it works. That's all I want to say. Okay, Click Wealth System. This has worked, but it doesn't make a lot of money. I will say that. I have gotten sales with this, but it didn't make a lot of money. Perpetual income, I have not gotten sales with this. I did get one sale with this once a very long time ago, but it was only like $5 or something like that. I forgot how much it was. It was a very small amount. And my lead gen secret, I haven't gotten a sale with it. Turn chat, speak to human, like that's not an offer. No, Scribble, that's a program. Okay, paid online writing job, that's a good one. This one also makes a lot of money per sale. So this is probably the one we're gonna go for next after we run out of emails with the first one up there. Live chat jobs is another good one as well. Gotten sales with this. I haven't tried it much, but I have gotten sales. I have gotten a sale on it. 12 mini affiliate. I have never gotten a sale with this in any way, shape, or form on anything. Not even my lead gen. Let's see here. Writer apps review. I have gotten sales with this, but it's poor performing. This doesn't do that well. But you can't get sales with this. Now this is a brand new one. This might work better than the top one, because it's climbing up the scale very fast. It's only been up here for about a month or two, and it's climbing up the rankings very fast. So I'd consider this one as well. So we're gonna just stick on page 1 here. That's what I'd say do. All right, so let's continue on with what we were doing here. All right, let's close that. There's nothing there. Okay, so hey, name with the job below, earning money. So this is more like a job recruit. So we're not gonna pick our name. We're gonna pick management. You can tell by how it's worded. Yeah, so we're gonna pick management instead. So let's go to the mailing system here, post it in. Okay. Let's pick the first name here. So it feels more personal here. That there. Okay, hey name, let's replace that. Make sure you find that. Okay, see if you find a country link. There it go. To the country, pick your area. Right, and you know, requirements, experience necessary. Click here to apply best wishes management. I think that worked pretty well. Your name can work as well, but I'd advise putting management there. That's just my choice. It can work either way. It might work better with your name, I don't know, but I feel my management seems to do perform a little better than my name with these types. Okay. Pay, let's just capitalize these. Now see, it look a little bit better. Job title. What else the email does here? I think that's it. Okay. Right. So we just got to put our link. Get our link here. MLGS1. Right, that. Copy that. Close that. Go to the mailing system here. And we'll place our link in this. One thing I will recommend, what you can do. Now, this is something that a lot of people tend to do. You could try to build up a relationship with them and get you into your own funnel if you want to. I think if you want to make a ton of money, that's a good way to do it, but you don't need to do that. That's the point. You don't need to do any of that. So yeah, I just picked management here, best wishes, something like that. It looks really good for email here, so preview it and always make sure the link works. You always want to make sure the link works. Yeah. Make sure the link works. All right, then you can send an email just like that. And that sends off, and there you go. That's another email you can send off right there. And I'm sending that off to 2,100 people. 21,000 people right there. But I only have one account. Now if you have more than one account, you could you go to another link and open up another account and post the same exact email that you sent on this one in the same way. And you do that, except you, instead of putting MLGS1, you put MLGS2 for your next account, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. So you can just tell which account is getting sales on Clickbank. So that's pretty much the method there. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time and see what's going on here, if we get a sale. All right, but I hope y'all following along on this. Y'all may be performing a lot better than me, because like I said before, I'm only using one account. It's recommended to at least have 2, but it's best to have 5 accounts. 5 accounts, you can get you about $3,000 per month. $3,000 to $4,000 per month, at least 1,000 or 2,000. But on one account, it might seem very slow, and that's the thing. That's why you need 5 accounts, because you're getting 900 leads every day. So extra 900 people will see these emails as well. This is a gold mine, people, and it's very easy to do. You can do this every day, and you'll be very fine. Just try to show that. All right. I hope you all the best of luck. Continue on with our success. Bye.